In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur in Krita. So there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you some of them, which are the easiest and most convenient. The first one is you want to select your layer, and if you want to blur your entire layer, you can do that very easily. Simply go to Filter up top, then hover over where it says Blur, and click on Gaussian Blur. Now when you do this, by default, you're going to have it on 5 pixels in the vertical and horizontal radius, and you can just click and basically drag this to the right, and it's going to add a blur onto your image just like this. Okay, you can go to you can put on a lot of blur or just like a little over here on the left. Okay, if you want to be more precise, you could go and hold down your shift key on your keyboard, and that's going to allow you for a more precise blur without going left or right as much in pixels, of course, whenever you're moving your mouse. So that's the first way to actually use blur inside Krita. Then you also have different blur brushes, which are quite convenient as well. So let me show you. You can go to the bottom right inside the brush presets, and you can go here where it says search and type in blur. Now there's two of them right now. This one over here is the blender blur, so if you want to blend and use the blur as well, you could do that. However, that's likely not what you're looking for. So let me show you this one, which is the most convenient one. If I click on it, it's actually called the, let me hover over it, there we go, the filter blur. You can go ahead and basically blur wherever you want. So I can resize this brush, for example, and I can go, and as you can see, I'm blurring this text of my channel logo over here right now. I can go over this as well, and it's getting a blur. Okay, now of course, if you click multiple times and go over a portion, it's going to blur more than it would if you just go over once. It was basically just like painting, blending, and stuff like that. But of course, this allows you to blur anything on your image very easily without having to blur the entire image itself. So that's how to blur in Krita. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.